What it do, my people? What's up? How are you guys feeling today? So I actually recorded a video yesterday, guys, but I wasn't able to get it out in time, so apologies. But there are a few good clips in there that I'm going to share in this video because they are most definitely relevant and they're even more relevant as of today. And we're going to have a look to see what we can do with this market at the moment, guys, all right? Now, you look into the market and all you see is red, 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 apart from ton. I think, what's that, ton? 11%, lovely. Everything else, everything else is on a dip, guys. And why is that? As of today, the SEC delays spot Bitcoin ETF decision for all applicants, including BlackRock and Fidelity. So we all know that Grayscale, whoop-de-doo, they got their spot ETF approved. The SEC weren't too happy with that and they thought, you know what, we're going to just delay everything. Now, as you'll see here, the SEC is delayed until October to make a decision on all of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, these include BlackRock, WisdomTree, Invesco, Wise Origin, Bitwise. The list goes on. If we take a little flashback to the video I posted a couple of days ago when we did get the first Bitcoin spot ETF, we looked at an XRP chart and we thought the exact same thing was going to happen with Bitcoin, guys. I said to you in that video, I'm personally shorting at 28k. If you get 27.6, short that. 28k was a massive supply level and we've made some money on the way down, so it's important to make sure that you're watching the markets even when they are red, guys, because there's always opportunities to ride this market down. And the only good thing about shorting really is the fact that if you get a good short, you know, we made a good amount of profit over the past 2 days. I've been able to roll them into discount alts, even into discount ETH, you know. It's a no-brainer. So again, I'm going to be opening up a trading group and let me know if you guys want to be getting in on the trading group. There's a few of my friends in there already. We've been making some good bank to make sure that we're averaging in even more and up in that DCA as well. We've got a little strategy with our trading profits as well. So that would be good to see you guys in there. However, it's not a little shill about the trading group. Not only has Bitcoin fallen now to sub 26, we're in 25k. We got a little news from Guy from Coin Bureau earlier.
So the next date to look out for is the middle of October, when the next deadline for either approving or denying most of the applications comes up. But the SEC can delay until March or even April next year. So, in other words, don't hold your breath.
What happens in March and April next year, guys? We've got the Bitcoin halving pretty much in April. Now, guys, if we look at the Bitcoin halving timeline, you're going to see that in around March or April of next year, we're going to be due for the halving and the rally to occur after it. So is this what is going to send Bitcoin on an insane bull run next year and into 2025? Because if we get the news about the halving and then we get the news about the spot ETFs, the ETFs that have already been approved start to roll money into it next year and into 2025, we could be in for an insane bull run, guys. However, until then, the SEC could repeat something like this and drag down crypto all the way until the halving. Okay, it could happen, and it's something that you guys need to be cool with. So guys, we come back to the chart and we were looking to recapture this ascending level of support here. We flipped it into resistance, guys, and we said around this area would be a good entry to short. We've got a few DCA levels here as well, so you've got 25.2k, 22.5, and then 20 as well. And even if you look on the RSI here, you're going to see that, look, we're overbought at the moment. We're still overbought on the daily, so we definitely have some room to come down over the week. But it could be something pretty quick, guys, because if we move to the weekly chart, we're extremely oversold. So we may have something where we come down again for maybe like 1-2 more weeks into September, and then we start to rally out going into October. But again, like I said, anything can happen. If we do breach these levels, we're going to be buying up that dip. Even when we come down to 20k, we're going to be buying up that dip, and that's going to be a very interesting level if we do get there. A lot of people are looking at 20k, guys. So when too many eyes are on one thing, it makes me feel like it's not going to come. That's usually what happens in crypto, and I'm sure you guys know that by now. But yeah, we've got some interesting levels here. Are we breaking down? Is this just a repeat of what happened in the last bull run? You see that? Come up, one top, double top, breakdown. Come up, one top, two top, breakdown, okay? And then we could break down all the way into mid 2024. ETF gets approved, we go. Something like that could happen. So let's just see. We'll keep an eye and we'll be praying for the best outcome, to be honest, guys. So let me know what you think of the market. Let me know what you think of Bitcoin. Are we going to break down further? Have you been DCAing? What have you been buying? Let me know what coins you want me to cover as well over the weekend and into the next week. Until next time, it's been Will X Money Crypto. Peace, gang. Have a good weekend.